Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of Coinbase accounts on your PC. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. Now, type in www.coinbase.com into the web address bar and press enter. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage of coinbase.com, and from the main homepage, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. You'll be able to see the sign out button in the pop-up. Give it a click in order to sign out of coinbase.com. You'll be redirected to the main homepage of coinbase.com. To get back to your account, you'll need to click on the sign in link at the top right, enter your Coinbase account's credentials, and you'll be able to get access back to your account again. But remember to type in the correct credential while signing into your account. That was how you can easily sign out of your Coinbase account if you are done using Coinbase for the day on a web browser. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.